Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're going to be opening these two Temu packages sent by USPS. Let's get started. But first, let me go get some scissors. Alright, guys, we opened the packages. Now we open this one, the big one. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's get some Temu. What's this? Some kind of chicken? What is this? Ooh, a sunset lamp. Now I need this. And a Wi-Fi camera. It's a video camera. Wow. All these are good. Now it's time to open this box. The Temu box. So let's open it. Stay right there, guys. Alright, guys, we open the box. Now let's see what's in it. What? A galaxy projector bringing you to the real Starry Light Show? Whoa! This is so cool. Alright, guys, now we're gonna put on and see what it looks like. Stay right there. Wow, guys, we just plugged it in and look up. Wow, that is so beautiful. I like to say 10 out of 10. Wow. Wow, guys. We just changed it and look at the glow of the earth and the moon. So beautiful. Wow. Alright, guys, this is it for me making this video about opening the packages. Make sure you like, subscribe, and add 3 comments to the channel soon. Peace.